Welcome to this tutorial on maintaining global configuration parameters in SAP IBP. Global configuration enables you to maintain application-level parameters. We can set values for parameters that control various features of SAP IBP applications according to our business needs. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to maintain global configuration parameters step by step. So, let's get started. Step 1. Enter the global configuration parameter to be maintained in the search field. Suppose the global configuration parameter is charts_public. Step 2. Click the search icon. Step 3. Locate the charts_public configuration parameter and click it. Step 4. Click the Edit button to maintain global configuration parameter. Step 5. The Edit parameter pop-up will appear. Click the Value drop-down. Select a new value. Optionally, provide a reason for the change. Step 6. Confirm all fields and then click the Save button. To summarize, maintaining global configuration parameters in SAP IBP involves accessing the Global Configuration app, selecting the desired global configuration parameter, and changing its value. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope you found it insightful.